Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Candy Perler Fairy. So today I'm gonna do a tutorial to show you how to build this one. It's hiding right under my hand. Ta-da! So if you have followed me on Instagram, I already gave like a sneak peek of this one, the ice cream cone, Hello Kitty ice cream cone. Super cute. It took me some time to figure out how to make this one because I saw a photo of this and I really want to build it, but I can't find any pattern, so I just kind of figured it out myself. So I tried to make it you know, easy to show you guys, and then the fewest pieces to build this one, so that we can all have something like this. Super cute. And if you can see, I also made like the mini one. The mini ones is actually super cute as well, so you can see the size difference. So if you don't want to do a keychain, you don't have to add that, but if you do, you can add those little clear beads right there, so you can add more items on it. Super cute. And then also, you can also see that I'm showing a lot of these Hello Kitty products that I got from DAISO. If you're interested, I'm going to show you right now. And then actually you can get a lot of good stuff at like just $1.50 at DAISO instead of getting it from you know, expensive store. So I'm going to show you all the goodies that I got from DAISO. So if you had checked out my last video of my Hello Kitty collection, you will see a little short tutorial to show you how to build this one. Is the honeybee. The special about this one is I designed a ladybug on the back. So this is the 3D donut. So this time also stay until the end of the video. I'm gonna have a bonus tutorial to build another one, so make sure you stay tuned to find out which I'm gonna build. Alright, so let's get started to all these. So these ones are one of my favorite, and then you can tie it up. You can put like little things in there. You can put your mask in there, and you can put the lady items in there. And I found will get so pretty. Hello Kitty, they come with different characters, my melody, and then this last one is my favorite one, little twinkle star. They're super pretty, and look at the color. I got 3 of these. So I also got these because they're super cute. These are good for like your water bottle, so you can reuse that water bottle again. Just put this on there, and it has like a little chain here, so you can also attach other items on it. Super cute, right? And then these ones are really pretty as well, and you can see they're like super good material and very nice design. Oh, so pretty. So I think these are for like, you know, your soap. But I think you can put anything because they're super cute, so they should be in the living room or in your bedroom. So it's very nice that they have these, you know, for people that really needs it, like my boss. I gave one to her. And then this one is for the car. It's looking really cute, right? Having Hello Kitty with you all the time. And I found these as well. I mean, I'm using one-day contact lenses right now, but sometimes if you travel, it's better to have like cases like this. Super adorable. Last but not least, so I'm gonna show you this one. Is super cute. So hard to open. Yay! Look. Looks so yummy. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please do so by clicking the button and hit the bell so you will get alert for new videos. Alright, let's get started. So we're gonna start with these 3 pieces. Alright, so these 2 goes to the front. So this is the main connector to connect all the pieces. So let's come into this way. Alright, let's pop on here. Okay, and then this one follows. Alright, so let's come into the back first. So these 2 pieces will go to the back. So the bigger one goes first. Going right here, looking good, and then this one go to the back. All right, oops, this is looking good. All right, let's close the side first really quick. Then we'll leave these two right here. They look the same, so one goes onto each side. Let's see. Right, looks nice. And then the other side, that looks just perfect. All right, let's close it up with these two more pieces on the side. So pop right here, and then the other one pop right here. All right, so let's come into the bottom. So the bottom pieces are these three brown pieces right here. So the first one goes first will be this one. So right here, and then the second one will be this one. So you can see the long beads will fit into this. And then this one is the last piece. Perfect. All right, so you got two little pieces to go to the front and the back. Right here, and then the back. Super easy, right? Now we have to close up the top. The top is a little challenging, but it's not that hard. All right, so we have this piece here that it has an open slot right here, so this will be facing the front. All right, so it goes right here slowly so we don't break the pieces. All right, just like so. You're gonna know why later. All right, then we're gonna come into this piece right here. You can see I added the clear bead here because I would like to make a keychain. If you don't want to make a keychain, you can take it out. You don't have to add this clear beads, okay? So I'm gonna insert it from the side so you can see this extra bead, and then also a hole right here. So we're gonna insert it on one side and then slowly go into the center and then go to the other side. There we go, looking good. And then we're gonna close it onto the top. So you can also see I kind of open it here because it's for the bowl to go in, so this will be facing the front. I also add a hole right here so it can go through with this clear bead right here. But if you don't want to make a keychain, you can have this closed. All right, so let's pop it onto the top. Take your time. Sometimes the pieces don't go right. All right, move everything. And then now comes to this last piece, the bowl, okay? So the clear beads stay outside. This one, we're gonna put it right here into this hole. All right, looking pretty good. So I'm gonna show you how I add the keychain. All right, so today I'm gonna use the little bell because it's Hello Kitty. And then I'm using a gold keychain with the little chain right here. So this is a little ring that I got. I usually like to use the big one, so it's easier for like big beads. So I'm just gonna insert it right here, and then using this to gonna bring both beads together. Yeah, so all I did is just, you know, close it and then keep it tight. Now we got this right here, and then since this one is so easy, we're just gonna open it, and then I like the style because that's all I'm gonna do. Oh, I struggled. Okay. I love this color with the Hello Kitty. It's my matching, and it looks like something you can get from the store, and where you can just make it handmade. Yay, just for yourself. I hope you like this one and enjoy the video. And if you're gonna make one, tag me on Instagram. So I hope you enjoy the quick tutorial to build this 3D Perler Hello Kitty ice cream cone. And if you make one, tag me on Instagram and mention me, so you will get a shout out, and I'll share with others that they can make something that they like with Perler bead as well. So now I'm gonna tell you which one I'm gonna show you the bonus tutorial. Yay! So when I did the survey, this is the second winner, second runner up, right? So this is like the classic color for like Hello Kitty. So this one is actually super easy to build if you already built the other one. So this one I'm gonna share the pattern with you, and let's get started. started with the base piece and the connector. So the connector goes this way, and then this is gonna be the second piece from the back. Gonna go from here, looking good. And then this is gonna be the third piece. Right, looking good. Let's build the bottom first. So these are the bottom pieces that we will need. This one goes first with the extra beads right here. So this one slide down, okay, and then this one goes second this way, and then this one comes last. Looking nice. All right, let's finish the tops. Okay, this is second to the top. Just pop it up like so. There we go. And then this one is last to goes to the top. Just like so. Let's fill out the side. This one, let's see. This one should go on this side. Carefully. Perfect. And this piece right here goes on to this side. Okay, follow the beads. Goes this way. Slowly take your time. Yay, we got it. Alright, so these two pieces, they look the same, so it can go to either way. So the long bead goes first to the front, and then to the other side, this one goes first to facing to the front. Alright, the last two pieces right here, the same way, follow the color pattern. Oops. Just like so. And then coming to the other side, also follow the color. Yay. Alright, so we're almost done here. Last three pieces. Alright, so just insert this one here, and then this one to the bottom, and then the center one, I add the yellow bead here, so it's gonna look like this. Yay, we're done. This is our bonus tutorial for this video, and I hope you enjoy it. Tag me on Instagram and mention me in your story for a shout out. Yeah, and I'll see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Yay. Thank you so much for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Thank you.